Flav City family, what is up? It is Bobby coming at you at my favorite place on earth on a late Thursday afternoon. I can't even keep my days straight. And I'm doing some shopping, and I thought it'd be fun to do another video where it's a shop along plus family recipe. Rose and Desi are at dance class right now, and first we're gonna walk around Costco and get all the ingredients we need, then go home and make my crispy shrimp cakes with homemade sweet chili sauce and an easy side salad. It's really fun because you only need a few ingredients here from Costco, and they have double duty. You use a lot of the ingredients twice, for the sauce, for the cakes, for the salad, and the recipe is delicious. You're gonna love it. So let's do that. Let's walk around, buy our ingredients, then Rose and Desi will join us at home and make dinner. I also do want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Thrive is a 6.5-year supporter of my channel. But the reason why I love them is, number one, my promo code is still 40% off your first order, and I don't know how long that's gonna last, but also pretty much anything you could find at most any grocery store, maybe not Costco, is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper. You save about $32 per order, and the box comes to your door. But right now, like I said, the deal is fantastic. When you click my link down below, you get 40% off your first order. You get a free gift, and it's 30 days risk-free. So if you haven't tried Thrive Market yet, try them out. They're a big supporter of the channel. Less talking, more shopping. Let's walk around Costco. If we're gonna make shrimp cakes, we need shrimp, and they have a lot of shrimp here at Costco. You certainly don't wanna buy pre-cooked shrimp ever, but especially for this recipe. But this is very important. They have a lot of farm-raised shrimp here. Actually, the majority of it is. You wanna avoid that. And I could almost guarantee you that all of the farm-raised shrimp will come from Southeast Asia. Let's see, Vietnam. Vietnam and Thailand are the #1 exporters of farm-raised shrimp, and that's a problem. Farm-raised in general is troublesome. There could be some good farm-raised salmon here and there, but shrimp, no. Almost all of the farming practices for shrimp are terrible. Overcrowded pens, bad living conditions, horrible quality feed, GMO feed, animal byproduct feed, no, no, no. And why would you do that? We live in the USA. There is so much local wild-caught shrimp available here from the Gulf of Mexico, or here in Florida, we have Key West shrimp. But look around. Every single Costco has it. This is wild-caught USA shrimp. Gulf of Mexico, just like I said, 2 pounds for $25. 16 to 20 refers to how many per pound. That's a good size, that's a good deal. But I've never seen this before, but it's a local thing. Key West pink shrimp. I've seen them at Whole Foods, I love them. They have them here at Costco, I'm guessing because I'm in South Florida. 2 pounds for $21. It's just naturally pink from the breed, and I don't care that they're smaller, they're gonna be blended up. So I'm gonna grab these, that's a great deal. And I believe there's one more. Yeah, they should have an Argentine. Here we go, all the way down here. So look, I have 3 options. Argentinian, Gulf of Mexico, or local Florida one, and that's 2 pounds for $20. So no matter what recipe you're getting, get wild, raw shrimp. It's gonna be great. Farm raised, pass. We need mayonnaise to bind these shrimp cakes together, and I've talked about it a million times, but I'll quickly talk about it for the 1,000,001 time. Avocado oil mayonnaise, Chosen Foods, monster 32-ounce container for $9.69. Can we just appreciate this price? Because it's normally about $9.69 for 16 ounces at any other grocery store. So it's basically half off. For one of the best, this and Primal Kitchen, in my opinion, are the best avocado oil mayonnaise. Look at this. You swap out GMO, highly processed, highly inflammatory canola oil with avocado oil. No sugar, no preservatives, no nasty calcium disodium EDTA, which I'll show you in a minute. This is fantastic. So this one's going in my cart. And yes, it's 30 cents an ounce, and you might be like, oh man, it's 50% cheaper for the Hellmann's. Bring out the Hellmann's and bring out the best. Not so much in my opinion, because GMO soybean oil is the worst oil you can get. See right here where it says calcium disodium EDTA? That's a really interesting preservative. That's main goal is to mask the flavor of rancid smells like oil after it gets old. So that's purely what it does in here. This is a hard no for many reasons, but I'm telling you, just grab this. On the West Coast, you have Primal Kitchen. The Salt Lake City one I was at 2 weeks ago have Primal Kitchen. You will love this. I use mayonnaise every day, and this does bring out the best. We need some maple syrup for the homemade sweet chili sauce, but hold the presses. The Manuka honey. I don't know if I noticed this in the coupon booklet. It's on sale. It's a ridiculous deal. It's $6 off. We've talked about it in the past. This is Manuka honey from New Zealand, and I always wondered if it was monofloral, and a fan sent me a picture of the ingredients. It is. Monofloral means the bees only feed on the Manuka bush, which is important because the Manuka has incredible immune and health properties, which is why it's worth the splurge, because it's so darn good for your immune system, especially during cold and flu season, which is almost over. This is a great deal. I would get that for sure. Don't cook with it, but just have it for tea and stuff like that. But what I would cook with is this. They always have such a dynamite price on real maple syrup. I believe it's from Canada. Where is it here? There we go, product of Canada, eh? So this is legit maple syrup for $12 for a liter. You just can't beat that price. If you're feeling a little splurging today, you would get this. Ooh, actually, this is last call. This vanilla maple syrup is gonna be discontinued until next fall. They put real vanilla beans in there, not artificial or natural flavors. My favorite though is the other company, I can't think of it, from Hudson Valley that sells the bourbon barrel infused maple syrup. And actually, if you look, it's being discontinued because this is only a seasonal item. So you might want to buy a container and just have it for the rest of the year because it's not coming back until the fall. This would be like a splurge if you want to make your sauce out of it, but no need. Just get this one. You combine that with a little bit of sriracha or hot sauce, the lime juice, you cook it for a couple minutes. It is the best and most clean homemade sweet chili sauce around. Houston, we have a problem here in the walk-in cooler in the produce section here. That is a big bucket of water, which I will still clear of, but I want to make a salad with this dish and do like a lazy man's dressing, which I'll show you at home. The other week we used my favorite Boston butter lettuce. I think this time I'll just get spring mix. This is really nice. It's organic, which is important for greens like this, and it's $6. I'll combine this with some of the ingredients I'm actually using to make the homemade sweet chili sauce for a nice, fresh, bright, acidic side salad. All right, family, I got everything I need. Let's go home, join the girls, and make dinner. Okay, let's make dinner. Before we do, Rose is probably drinking one of the most exciting things on Thrive Market right now. It's Kiki milk. It's a Thrive Market exclusive. It's the most nutrient-dense, plant-based milk around. I've never seen ingredients like that. And if you combine that with the Thrive coconut keto flakes, it's the best dessert for me while I'm on the couch watching the new show that Leilani just recommended, Bridgerton. So I'm gonna try that tonight. Mommy's outside in the garden here. So try Thrive Market using my link down below.
I want to see Mommy.
Okay, she's right over there. And you get the Kiki milk and the cereal. We'll wait for Rose to come back. All right, we're making shrimp cakes, girls. Sound good?
My favorite part about shrimp cakes is the sauce.
Desi loves, yeah, Desi loves sweet chili sauce, but I'm making a homemade version, not the stuff in the jar that has corn syrup and stuff like that. So we have 2 pounds of shrimp from Costco. Well, this one's raw, so Daddy's gonna do this one, kiddo. 2 pounds of shrimp go in the blender. And we need ½ a cup of avocado oil mayonnaise. Big pinch of salt. Season with authority. We go on the floor as usual. A little pepper, my dear. Oh, we're doing a little Flavor City lemonade break here. Which one do you like better, Rose?
Pink.
Pink.
Oh, done.
Okay. Some lime zest. Using Daddy's zester.
Oh, tiny.
You do it.
I want a tiny one.
A tiny lime? Well, these are Costco limes. They only make big ones, I think.
1, 2.
Good. Yeah, I probably never bought this many limes in my life. We got to make those margaritas we were talking about. Raise your hands if you want to see keto, diabetic friendly margaritas. Here you go. Give me a boom, boom, boom. Perfect. Okay, now we blend it up. Rose Honey wants to do it? Hydration break. And beep, 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 beep. It's good. Thank you.
I want to see it.
But I want to see it too. What do you think?
I'm just scared. I want to try it.
Oh, you don't want to try it yet, trust me. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, I'm gonna start preheating the Flav City nonstick ceramic pan. More info in a video tomorrow about having a non-toxic kitchen. Pots and pans included. Let's pour some avocado oil in the pan. And go ahead and get your hands wet. That way the mixture doesn't stick too bad. And then carefully put in the oil. I don't want to overcrowd the pan, so I'll do 3 at a time. Okay, while those are frying up, we'll make the lazy man salad. I call it that because the dressing isn't even made on the side. It's just mixed in the bowl, but it always comes out great. I got my big clam shell from Costco. Add a bunch of greens to the bowl. Add a few tablespoons of the avo mayo. Wow, the Costco limes are so big, they won't even fit in the appropriate reamer here. There we go, some lime juice. Pinch of salt. Crack of pepper from Rose's grinder, and a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. All right, this is just about done here. Just check it for seasoning. It's an eyeball kind of thing. It was great. And it's nice because this is going to be rich, and the sweet chili sauce will be a little sweet, and that'll cut through the sweetness. Try a bite and tell me if it's Rose approved. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Woo! High five, girlfriend. Boom! Okay, we're gonna make the sweet chili sauce that goes on top of the shrimp cakes. Recipes on the blog too, not just in the best-selling book. I'll put the link down below. 1/3 cup of maple syrup.
I can see.
Good. Squeeze of sriracha sauce. Good.
I don't like it.
That's a little spicy. That one's for mommy and daddy. And a squeeze of lime juice. Okay, good. Now daddy's gonna put it on the stove. I call it making savory caramel because look what's happening. We're literally caramelizing the maple sugar. Yeah, this is very hot. You gotta be super careful. I'm gonna reduce this by half. And Rose Honey will try it at the end. So I'm working away here in the kitchen and the girls are cuddling over there. You'd think it was 30 degrees. It's 85 degrees out. Huh. I'm trying to make dinner here, Roseanne. What am I doing? Okay, here's what we're doing. Here, Rose. We're making dinner. That's my girl.
What you doing, Daddy?
We're making dinner is what we're doing.
Daddy, what you doing?
Some of the shrimp cakes. Ah, look at that, see? How the sauce has started to thicken up. And the longer it cools,
I want some sauce.
the thicker it gets. Watch this.
Some sauce.
Yeah.
I
Here.
want some.
Of course, we all want some. Look at that.
I want some.
Oh, we're on the salad. Okay. A little bit of sesame seeds.
1, 2, both honey.
And a touch of lime
I want
zest.
seeds. I want seeds. There you go.
You heard it straight from the chef's mouth. And I love when she does that. Delicious.
Wow.
Is it great?
So good.
Russ, describe the flavors to Daddy. Tastes like coconut sugar.
That's the highest compliment you can get.
That's true. Coconut sugar for her is like caviar, so.
Wow. Babe, it's just so good. Yeah, the shrimp are good quality, I can tell.
So recipe is in 5-ingredient meals if you have it, but it's on the blog. I'll put the link down below. Peace. Check out Thrive Market using my promo code. You gotta try. You gotta try the Kiki milk. You gotta try the coconut cereal. Best dessert ever. But that is it for Desi, Rose, myself, and Leilani. We leave you like we always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and
Peace.
peace. Later.